In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add another email account to Outlook. Add multiple email accounts in Microsoft Outlook. This walkthrough is specifically for the Outlook app on your desktop, not the web or mobile versions. By the end, you'll be able to check and send mail from more than one address without switching apps. Start by opening the Outlook desktop app. Look for your profile icon, which might appear at the top right, top left, or in the title bar depending on your Outlook version and layout. Don't worry about its exact placement. The important part is that you can click it. When you do, choose Add an Account. This is the entry point for connecting an additional mailbox to Outlook. A window will appear asking for the email address you want to add. Type the full address carefully to avoid sign-in errors, then click Connect. Outlook will attempt to detect the correct settings for that email provider. In most cases, it recognizes the account type automatically and moves you to the sign-in screen. Next, click Next if prompted and enter the password for that email address. You might see a secure sign-in window from the provider. Simply follow it through. If you're asked to grant permission or approve access, go ahead and allow it. That approval lets Outlook sync your mail, calendar, and contacts as needed, so everything works smoothly. If your provider uses additional verification, like a one-time code or authenticator app, complete that step when prompted. After you sign in, Outlook will finish the setup and add the account. This can take a moment while it connects and pulls in your mailbox. Once it's done, you'll see the new account appear in the left sidebar, usually with its own inbox, sent items, and other folders. From here, you can switch between accounts anytime by selecting the mailbox you want to view. When composing a new message, you'll also be able to choose which account to send from using the From field. That's all it takes to add another email account to Outlook on your desktop. It's a quick process, and once added, both accounts stay signed in so your messages are always up to date. If everything looks good and email starts flowing in, you're set. If you ever get a permission prompt again, just grant it, so syncing continues uninterrupted. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss new uploads.